welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita here, and today in this video I am going to create this very gorgeous makeup look. This is a very vibrant makeup look that you can wear this Durga Puja, Diwali or Karwa Chauth. This is one of my most favorite makeup looks and I would love to recreate this for this festive season. But before we get started, let me show you this beautiful sari that I am wearing today. This is a Patola Silk sari and it is currently available in my mom's boutique. Watch the video till the end to know more about this sari if you wish to get it for yourself. But as of now, let's get started with the makeup. To prime my face, I will use the Professional from Benefit. It is a very good primer, works really well underneath full coverage foundations. The best part is it doesn't clog my pores. So if you are suffering from acne or pimple issues and want to try a new one, then give this a try. Next, for my foundation today, I will use Cover FX Cream Foundation. The formula is very creamy. The coverage is full and the finish is to die for. It looks very good on my skin. I highly recommend using a brush to blend this out. I really love this brush from Real Techniques. It is their buffing brush. Take your time to blend your foundation. The more you blend it, the better it looks. Once it's done, next I will contour my face using this Cover FX Contour and Highlight palette. If you are using cream foundation, then it is better to go for cream concealers as well, because cream concealers and cream foundations tends to have similar kind of formulation, hence blending them together becomes really easy. Using the same buffing brush, I will blend the cream contour. Once everything is well blended, it's time to set the base in place. I am using L'Oreal Matte Magic Powder and will buff it under my eyes and on the T-zone area. Whenever you are using cream products for your base, make sure you set your base really well. To set the cream contour and to give my skin a sun-kissed look, I will use this Hola bronzer from Benefit. For my blush today, I am using this baby pink color blush from Benefit Cosmetics. Next, I will do my eye makeup. To create a base for my eye, I am going to use Elegant Pro Concealer on my eyelid and will blend it using a brush. Next, to set the concealer in place, I will use L'Oreal Matte Magic Powder on the top of it. For my eye makeup today, I will use Smashbox Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette. This is a very gorgeous mini eyeshadow palette and I will use only 3 eyeshadows today to create my entire eye makeup. For the transition, I will use this beautiful cranberry color. Take your time and slowly build a transition in the crease. Don't use too much amount of product at a time while working with such deep color shadows. Next, I will use a brown color shadow in the outer half of the lid to intensify the look. Take your time and blend the brown, then go back to the cranberry color and blend the harsh edges. Once everything looks well blended, then take the golden shade and apply it in the inner half of the lid. Next, for my liner today, I will use Lakme Insta Liner and will draw a thick winged line to intensify the eyes. Next for the kajal, I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal on my lower waterline. Then to smudge the harsh edges, I'm going to use this cranberry color that I used on the eyes as the eyeshadow. For the lashes, I will use Maybelline Less Sensational Mascara. For the lipstick, I first applied Sugar Cosmetics Wine and Shine, but it was looking too flat. So I am applying Makeup Revolution's liquid lipstick in the shade Grande on the top of it. Next, to fill in my brows, I am using this eyebrow pomade from Benefit Cosmetics. And then to set my eyebrows in place, I am using this eyebrow gel from the Benefit Cosmetics as well. For the highlighter, I will use xoxo palette from the Makeup Revolution, and I will use their golden highlighter shade to highlight my cheekbones, the nose and the forehead. Then with this you can wind up, but I will use some false lashes to complete the look. With this, my today's makeup is done. The saree that I am wearing today is a Patola Silk saree. It retails for 1850 rupees in Indian currency. If you wish to get it for yourself, or if you wish to have a look on the other varieties of silk sarees that's available in my mom's boutique, then WhatsApp us on 9862464203. Shipping within India is 100% free, and thank you so much for the warm responses on our last video. We went out of stock just in 2 hours. If you still wish to buy those sarees, then wait for 2 to 3 more days because we will restock them soon. For more details, check the description box. That's it for today's video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.